Hey guys, it's Kim. I've got a couple sets of chipboard here and I will just go through them quickly. This is a set of hangers that you can alter. You take this piece out in the middle and you've got your little kind of coat hangers. So there's 4 in here, I believe. 4 or 5. 5. 4. Nope. Nope, 5. There's 5 in here. There's these ones. There is 2 in here of this coat hanger. These are the little hand mirrors. There's 3 in here. These are super cute. They look like this, so great for your journals. I don't know if that pops. No, it doesn't pop out. But you could put a little image in there. It'd be so cute. Maya Road, these are like little banners. There's quite a few in here. I don't know how many, but there's quite a few. These are wheels that you can add to something. If you're making some mixed media projects, these are great for that. This is one of those little, what do you call those little reel things that we used to have when we were kids? You know how you put the photo in? Viewfinder, Viewmaster. Anyway, small one of those. These are some mixed wooden letters. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just random letters in here that you can use for your mixed media. This is a reliquary. I can't say that word. Reliquary tower. Excuse me. And I'm including one that I made just so you can see how to use it. But you can put an image inside it. You can open it up. There's 2 pieces in here. There's the top piece. You could open that up and make a card out of it. You could do all kinds of things. There's a couple of little snowflakes I just threw in. A large chipboard key, some birds, and a large chipboard bird cage. So this whole set is $10. And then I have some wooden pieces here. I have a wooden corset. These are wood laser cuts. Several wooden puzzle pieces. 3 small wooden keys. Well, not that small. They're about, what, 2 inches or so. Some wooden hot air balloons. There's 4 in there. There is 3 little wooden crowns in here. Don't know if you'll be able to make those out, but they're super cute. This has some wooden dragonflies, fairies, and mushrooms in it. They're wood laser cut. This bag is full of very small letters and hexagon letters. There's tons in here. There's got to be over 100 of the small letters. And maybe about 30 of the hexagon letters. So there's quite a bit in this bag. And then this is full of like little flowers, wooden flower pieces. Let me open this up here. You could use these for gears too. But there's tons in here. So you can see there's lots there to choose from. And then there's more in this bag too. I'll just probably put them all in one bag. But that's $10 as well. So let me know which one you're interested in. The first one or the second one or both or whatever. If you love mixed media, these are great for that. Okay, that's it. And I will be back with another video in a minute. Thanks, bye. Oh, and it's PayPal only, if you didn't see the other videos. And my PayPal's in the description box. Just let me know which one you're interested in, and then I will invoice you. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.